Hey guys, this is Fire Alarm Tour Part 2.
Your name?
4th floor. We got a spectral classic. Finally figured out what these real alarms are. These are space age horn strobes, VG6. Can I go through that way? That's the emergency exit. So we're gonna have to go through the other way. Oh my god. What? I'm gonna show you what's down here first. Space age. Space age down there. Exit sign. Another exit sign. I'll show you the alarms they have in the basement. That's the only floor I haven't showed you yet. So y'all get to see the elevator again because I did a video of that yesterday. I showed y'all the 5th floor because that's my floor. And the 6th floor, I think I showed you. If I didn't show you the 6th floor, there were all space ages up there because I looked yesterday. Let's see what alarms we got down here. No. You got a space age fire alarm and a VG6. That concludes the fire alarm tour of the Hawthorn Hotel. Thanks for watching.